Hello guys, welcome back to our Python series. Today we'll be looking into arithmetic operations. So arithmetic operations are basically just addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and we'll be seeing one by one on how to do it using Python. So let's get started. The first arithmetic operator that we are going to see is addition. So addition in Python is just you need to fit in the plus symbol in between two variables of numerical data type, or you have to fit in the addition symbol in between two numerical values. It doesn't actually meant to be two, or it can be many as you like to add. So here I have variables a assigned to the value 20 and a variable b with the value 50. So let me just run this where I add a and b and print it out. So 50 plus 20 is 70. So that's what. I have the variable a and I have put the plus symbol and then variable b. So it doesn't always need to be variables. It can be of anything, like say 50 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40. I don't know what the answer is going to be, and it's 140. Also, it doesn't need to always be of an integer. It can also be of float numbers. So let's just put 50.25 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40, which should be 140.25, and it's correct. So that's all about this arithmetic operator. Let's move on to the next arithmetic operator. The subtraction operator is just like the addition operator. Here you just replace the plus symbol with the subtraction symbol. So first let's subtract b with a. So b minus a will give us 30. Yeah. So as like for the addition operator, you can subtract as many values as you wish. So minus 30, minus 25, minus, and you can also put it in decimal places too. And it gives us a value of minus 50.5. So that's it about the subtraction operator. Let's move on to the multiplication operator. Multiplying numbers. Basically in mathematics you will be using an into symbol or something like an x to do the multiplication operation. But in Python you will be using the star symbol to do it. So first I'll be printing a into b, which will give me 1000. I can show you another similar example, like say you want to do 2 into 4. I am using the star symbol here. So 2 into 4 gives 8. So what if you need to square few things, like say 2 to the power 3. So you would be doing 2 into 2 into 2, which would be giving us again 8. But to square numbers in Python, you have something called the exponentiation operator. So you can put two star symbols together and then a 2. So this basically means 2 to the power 2. That will give me 2. So I need to do 2 cube. So 2 cube would give me 8. So if I need to do like say 10 cube, which is 1000, I can do like this. But be sure you have to have two star symbols together for the exponentiation operation. But if you need to just multiply, you can have one star symbol, which would be giving you 30 in this case. So that's about the star operator. So let's move on to the next operator, which is the division operation. The division operation in Python is carried by a front slash. So here I'm dividing b with a. So 50 divided by 20 is going to be 2.5, I guess. Yeah, 2.5. And I can show you other examples, like say 8 divided by 4. Use the front slash for this. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And like say if you want to divide 10 by 3, it would give me a decimal value, which is 3.3333, and so on. So here I will introduce you another operator, which is called the floor operator. So the floor operator will basically just remove the decimal part and will just show you the whole number part. So 10 divided by 3. So the floor operator is carried out by two front slashes. So 10 floor operation 3 will just return you 3, and all these decimal parts. So these will be ignored. So let's see that. Yeah, don't mistake the floor operator with a rounding operation. Like say if you have 25.9999, when you round it off, you will get 26. But if you do a floor operation on 25.9999, you would still get 25. So I can show you that. Like say 25.999999 and a floor operation by 1 will give us just 25. See, it doesn't round it off. Don't mistake the floor operation with a rounding operation. The floor operation will just return you the whole number part of a decimal number. So let's move on to the next operator, which is called the modulus operator. So if you need to find the remainder of the two numbers, we use the modulus operator. So that is carried by the percentage symbol in Python. So B modulo A, which is 50 modulo 20, will give us a remainder of 10. And likewise, if I can show you different examples, like say 10 modulo 3 will give you a remainder of 1. So when you do a basic division operation by 10 divided by 3, the quotient would be 3 and the remainder would be 1. To find the quotient, you can use the floor operation like I said in before. But if you need to find the remainder of the two numbers, then you would need to go for this percentage symbol or the modulo operation. In this video, we have seen about adding numbers, subtracting numbers, multiplying numbers, squaring numbers, dividing numbers, taking the floor of the numbers, and also taking the remainder of the numbers. And I hope you have understood all of them. But if you have any such kind of doubts, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. So that's all for this video. Thank you.